How to put an NGO link on Facebook Lite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put an NGO link on Facebook Lite. First of all, open up the NGO app on your phone. Once you get into your app, you need to copy link from here. When you copy the link from here, you have to head to Facebook Lite. So, open up the Facebook Lite application from your phone. From its home page, tap Add to Story from the top left corner. Then, from your story options, choose the text template. Now, tap to paste the link on your text template. Once you added the link to your story, tap on Share It Now. After uploading the story, tap to view it. Now tap on the link from your uploaded story, and it will take you directly to your NGO link. From there, you can send anonymous messages to the person who created the link. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.